I hear that some of you are paying people to edit your pictures for you. Wow. Well, that is not too bad. But I tell you that you can edit your picture without going to studio. I have many videos on this my page, even in my YouTube channel, or a free app that you can use to edit your pictures or to create an AI picture or make your picture talk. But in this video, I'm going to show you another app that you can use to edit your picture to make it look realistic as yourself without going to live studio. Only what you need is your phone and your data. Let's go. Once you go to your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, what you're going to type there is to aistudio.google.com. Then when you type it, it will bring you to the app. Now this is the app, aistudio.google.com. Then what you have to do is to click on that place they describe your image. Then you add your prompt. When you write your prompt, after writing the prompt, how you want the picture to look like, how you want yourself to be, the kind of dress you want to wear on the picture, the kind of background you want to see on the picture. Then what else you are going to do is to make sure you write on that write-up, make the face and the skin tone unchanged. Let it not change the skin tone and your face, so that it will be giving you a correct figure of your face and your skin tone, so that it will be realistic. Make sure you do that after writing the prompt or at the beginning of that your prompt. Face and skin tone unchanged. Make sure to then click on that plus sign, click on upload file. When you click on upload file, you direct to your gallery. You click on that download, you go to your gallery, then you choose your picture. Choose the picture that you want to use. I always make you to understand to use a picture that your face is clear, no makeup, so that this is AI, so that you will not confuse AI. So when you import the picture, you click on that yellow icon and it will start generating. You see it's now 10 minutes. You wait for some minutes and your picture will be very clean and fine. So why are you not paying somebody to generate your picture? That's not too bad. When you don't know what to do, you can pay for a service. But now you know what to do. So this is our picture, very fantastic and beautiful. So what you are going to do is to what? Click on that icon there. When you click on it, you will see it will automatically download it to your gallery. So where is my thank you on the comment section? Yeah, now drop my thank you on the comment section and let's go to our gallery for you to see the picture. Very fantastic and beautiful. That's why I love this AI of a thing. It will give you exactly what you want. This is it. Beautiful.